There. Catch it. Yeah, dog.
Ooh,
Holy,
ouch.
slammed into the couch. Gotta put it here. Go on here. Let go of it too. Good dog. You're throwing it right on there. Okay.
He doesn't go back and sniff the thing he ran into like Bonnie used to.
No. Okay, up here. You gotta let go of it. There. You go. Good dog. Ready? This is gonna be harder. Good job. There, you got it right on there. Woo, that was too fast. There goes another fast one. Whee! Got it. Good dog. Good, Bucky. Okay, drop it here. Good, you got it. Catch it. Good job. Put him in there. There you go. Ready? Okay, there you go. Nice. Good catch. Good job.
Getting to be a pro at that now.
Yes. Okay, here goes a fast one. And a trick one. Good catch. Okay. Okay. Hi there. You still have another jump for it yet, like Bonnie did.
Oh, he knows how.
Just wait for it.
He
to come
saves
down.
that for his frisbee time.
Yeah. Oh, that one got tangled up in the rocking chair, but you got it right out. You know what? You're more slobbery than Bonnie was.
It's okay.
Okie dokie. There goes a fast one. Gotta be fast. Gotta be really fast. Ooh. Gotta be super fast. Oh, you got the hang of it right away. Oh, you missed that one.
Yeah, it was just, what, 10 minutes between videos?
Yeah. That's right. You learned very, very quickly.
And you were on the phone for about 5 minutes of that.
Yeah. Well, he picked it up during the first video.
Uh-huh.
Good dog. Okay, should we do another fast one? Oh, it's too fast for you. Doing good at keeping on with that. Okay, good.
Okay.